Introducing RESPIO Sleep Monitor, a sleep coaching device that helps you fully understand why you're not getting good quality sleep and how you can fix it. With automatic and accurate tracking, RESPIO gives you a full picture of your night, so you have the information you need to better your sleep. Setting up RESPIO is simple. Place it across your bed and then lay down on top of it. As you sleep, RESPIO monitors and quantitatively analyzes your biometric data. It can detect abnormal breathing patterns, such as snoring, sleep apnea, record your snoring, and allow you to play it back in the morning, and observes if you're restless or tossing and turning. Also, it collects data on environmental factors like humidity, room temperature, and ambient light sources that may affect the quality of your sleep. Check the RESPIO app to see your personalized sleep score to better understand your sleep quality and patterns. With the cumulative data, the RESPIO Sleep Coach system will suggest you many ways to improve your sleep quality. With RESPIO, you get the insights and reminders you need to make good sleep a habit. It'll tell you best times to go to bed and give you tips on how to fall asleep faster. It can also coach you with personalized breathing exercises and meditation programs to help relax and calm your mind. Stop accumulating sleep debt. Investing in your day starts at night. When you sleep well, everything gets better. Get a sleep coach and have a great night's sleep. RESPIO, coaching you on better sleep.
Introducing AROMEO Sense, a smart multisensory device that creates an ideal environment for sleep and relaxation. It's using a synergy of aroma, light, and sound therapy to get rid of stress. It's really easy to get started. All you have to do is push the button and enjoy the experience. Choose from Sleep, Relax, or Focus module. Sleep module helps you to fall asleep naturally and wake up without nasty alarm sounds. Fall asleep easily with dimming sunset light, dreamy aroma, and calming serenades. Wake up shock-free without an alarm clock using glowing sunrise light, uplifting aromas, and the sound of birds. Relax module helps you to easily de-stress and recharge. It guides your inhale and exhale with a breathing light ring, gentle aroma, and serene music. Focus module helps you to beat drowsiness and get into a great mood. Have a stress-free productivity with focus intensifying light, concentration boosting aroma, and sounds of nature. AROMEO Sense helps you to create the ideal environment for sleep and relaxation using aroma, light, and sound therapy.
What if you could train your brain to sleep better? Introducing URGOnight, a non-invasive brain training solution that will unlock your potential for deep, fulfilling sleep. Here's how it works. Place the URGOnight band on when you have downtime during the day. It's adjustable and comfy. Now, the app will lead you through a series of exercises and measure your brain waves. Take a look. It visualizes real-time brain activity, helps identify your sleep brain waves, then teaches you how to activate them. Train during the day for just 20 minutes, 3 times per week, and in 3 months, you will know how to naturally put yourself to sleep. No pills, no dependence. URGOnight is advanced, non-invasive EEG therapy on your time.
Introducing Ebb Insomnia Therapy. It's the world's first drug-free solution cleared by the FDA to reduce the time it takes to get to sleep. Ebb comfortably cools your forehead, helps quiet the racing mind, and promotes the natural onset of sleep. Decades of research and clinical data helped us discover that people who suffer from insomnia have brains that are too active during sleep. The cooling effect of Ebb Insomnia Therapy reduces the activity in the front of the brain, which allows you to fall asleep and reach deep, restorative sleep more quickly. So if you want to wake up every morning feeling refreshed and actually ready to take on the day, it's time to try something new.
Meet the new Hatch Restore. Designed by sleep experts and personalized for you, Restore combines soothing sleep sounds, a soft bedside light, and a sunrise alarm clock so you can get your best sleep naturally. When you're ready for bed, start your personal sleep routine and wind down in the way that works for you. So you can fall asleep, stay asleep, and wake up feeling restored. Because better nights make for better days. And better sleep makes for a better you. Hatch Restore, because we could all use better sleep.